Welcome to this presentation from Spacetime Research covering online microdata access. This presentation will be of particular interest to any organisation that is currently making microdata available to its more sophisticated users via methods such as data laboratories, research centres or sample files. It is now possible to provide access to microdata where tabulations are executed remotely and confidentialised on the fly. This has the potential to offer statistics of users a much better service and at the same time reduce the cost to data providers. We hope you enjoy this video as the solution has the potential to revolutionise the way microdata is disseminated. This video will now cover how online microdata access works and will demonstrate it running live from the Australian Bureau of Statistics website on the full 2006 Australian population census. Some of the major points to note about this solution is that it is web-based, it is designed to work on the full dataset, whether it be a census, register or sample survey. The interface is of Web 2.0 design and therefore easy to use. Most importantly, survey respondents' privacy is protected by confidentiality methods being applied once a tabulation is run but before the results are returned to the user. The results can be viewed as tables, charts or maps and exported into various formats such as Excel and SDMX. The system is designed to balance the user needs with the responsibilities of the data custodians. Let's now look at how the system works. First, our user logs on and they are authenticated. This determines which data they can access. It allows them to save their work for future use, and it can also be used to monitor activity in the system for auditing purposes. Next, the user creates a query via the web interface and the query is executed. The raw results are passed to the confidentiality system where the low numbers are confidentialized and the results are passed back to the user. The user can then view the results and export them in Excel and SDMX formats. What is important to note is that this all happens in real time and on the full microdata file. Let's now look at the system in action on the Australian population census as accessed from the Australian Bureau of Statistics website. First, the user must log in and select the dataset of interest. The dataset is opened with all the variables from the census presented in the tree control on the left. The user simply navigates the tree control to select the variables of interest and place them in the table. In this case, we have selected the ages 6, 7, 8 and 9 and put them in the column dimension with gender and placed areas in the rows. Once a table has been created, the tabulation can be run and the results confidentialized and returned to the user. At any time, the user can drag in more variables or rearrange the table. The table can now be saved or exported. Because we are working with microdata, we can recode variables into custom groups. In this case, we are grouping the age values into under 5 and 5 to 9. Any variables such as occupation, industry, commodity, time and geography can be grouped in this way. Our new custom groups are displayed in the tree control and now can be used in the tabulation. Custom groups can be saved under the user's login details so they can be used for future tabulations. If the data has a geographic component, the user can create a thematic map of the table they have just created by simply clicking on the Map tab. A thematic map is created and the user can change various presentation features such as the number of ranges and the type of classification used. The map can be exported in PDF and image formats. This concludes our brief overview of the online microdata access solution from Spacetime Research. We understand making microdata available online is a complex and challenging task. We also appreciate the tremendous benefit it offers the users of statistics. For more information, please have a look at the series of white papers we have created covering topics such as privacy protection and statistical dissemination. Or please contact me, John Allenberger, directly to discuss how we might be able to assist you provide online access to microdata. Thank you for watching.